Hi, I'm Shreya and this is Decoding Code. In this video, we're going to be talking about array lists and sort of their differences from arrays, and we're also going to be going over exactly what they are, the syntax, some of the methods that you can use with an object of this class, and also some of the static methods in the collections class, and we'll go over like what you can do with ArrayLists, and then also why you would want to use ArrayLists. So yeah, if you're interested in that, let's just get right into it. What are ArrayLists? So these are kind of similar to arrays in the way that they are a collection or list kind of different variables. There can be strings, integers, whatever you want. And what's different from arrays though is that once you add different elements to it, you can go in and change them, and it's very easy to do that. And also, you don't really have to set a capacity, it's just kind of infinite. If you keep adding elements, then the capacity will keep increasing. And you can also manipulate the capacity of the array list with methods and stuff like that, but we'll get into that more later. And yeah, so array lists are a little bit easier to use in my opinion, and so now we will get into the syntax. We're making an object here, and it's just ArrayList and then the type and then the name and then new ArrayList type, and that's how you create an object. And then you can add elements by just doing .add and then adding the element. Pretty straightforward actually, and I'm gonna just show you guys some of the methods that you can use in this class. There is the .add there, you see that. And then there is also, you can add something in a specific position or a specific index. So this 0 means that I'm adding black as the first element in this array list. You can also get an element at a specific index. You can remove certain indexes, or well, not the index, but the element at that index. You can search it to see, okay, that's basically going to return Boolean true if this black is in the array list colors here. And so it's basically searching if it contains black. Also, so there are some static methods in the collections class where you don't have to create an object, but you can just use it. So for one of those methods is .sort, and for arrays you would have to create this whole like for loop and then like get the errors and all of that. But in this case, it's just a simple .sort, and then you just put in the collection that you want to sort. In this case, it's the array list colors, and it's going to sort that for you. Well, and the .sort is by alphabetically. I don't think I mentioned that before, but you can also copy certain array lists onto other array lists. You can shuffle it randomly. You can reverse them, meaning the last becomes the first, and then all of those reverse like that. Let's see. You can also have sublists. So you can see that here, and you can print that out or do whatever you want with that. And that's depending on, you just put in the index from and to whatever index you want, and then it'll give you that sort of portion or sublist of that array list. You can also .contains, you can compare to array lists like that. You can swap them. Alright, last few, because I'm kind of running out of time here. You can add all of the elements from one array list to another array list. And that can be in a specified index or just the end of it. And then you can also manipulate the size or capacity of an array. So trim to size basically means that you are trimming the capacity of the array list to the current size. Rainbow would have like 6 whatever colors, and then that would mean that the capacity of this array list would be 6. Also, you can increase the size, and ensure capacity is basically setting the capacity whatever index or size that you want. And then you can also replace, stuff like that. In this case, this is a static method of collections, which is replace all, which is replacing in the ArrayList rainbow, it's replacing orange with yellow orange. And there's a lot of things that you can do here, but those are some of them. And the collections class can be used for like any collection, and ArrayList happens to fall under the collections sort of category. And yeah, so moving on. Why would we even want to use ArrayLists? Well, as you can see, you can manipulate it and do a lot with the elements after they have been put into the ArrayList. And it's just way easier to handle, simple dot whatever method that you want to put, and you can easily sort. Yeah, it's very, very easy to just use these methods, and they're provided by Java, so it's really easy. And yeah, that is actually it for this video, I think. Hopefully, you guys got some knowledge about maybe ArrayLists or the methods that you can use in them, and hopefully I helped you with this. And if I did, give me a like and subscribe, or consider subscribing for more content just like this. I upload every single Monday, and I will see you guys again the next time I see you. Bye!